Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you the best eSIM for the United Kingdom, the unlimited data. So before we get started, you will need to click the link in the description to check out eSIM and find the right eSIM plan for your trip. And of course I'm going to show you how to install the eSIM profile in both devices, in the iOS and the Androids. So actually guys, at first you will need to go with the search bar right here, where do you need internet, and just look for the United Kingdom. Right, so this is the country. Go ahead and tap it. So eSIM offers unlimited data eSIM plans for the United Kingdom with options for different trip lengths. For example, eSIM currently offers unlimited plans for multiple or a couple days. So as you can see right here, until a month. So for example, I will go with the 15 days just to set an example with it. So it's for the $46, and if you want 60 days, you will need to add only 4 or 3 point some cents, right? So it's cheap. And now just go with the checkout right here and then choose a payment method, and whether if you want to enable the auto top up or auto renewal option, if you will go or you will stay for more or longer. And then just go with the pay right here and enter your bank or your PayPal account extra infos. And now I'm going to show you how to install the eSIM profile on your iOS device, right? So actually guys, first you will need to go to the eSIM page, then just tap on the install option, right? And then you will need to choose the eSIM plan. It's the second one. Then just go with done below, and then guys, you will need to enable 2 options. So you'll need to turn on the line and the data roaming. That's the first method. Second method is to go to the mobile data option inside your device settings, and then go with add data plan, go with use QR code, and then just scan the QR code right here and choose the eSIM plan and do the same. So you'll need to enable these 2 options. For the Android guys, you will need to go to the help center, go with the eSIM installation right here, and then you will need to go with the install option. Go ahead with go to settings, and then just enable the data roaming and restart your phone if necessary or requested. So that's the first method or option. The second method is to scan the QR code. So you'll need to go to the connections option inside your device settings, go with the same card manager right here, and then add mobile plan. And of course you will need to scan the QR code and enable the data roaming at the end. So once more guys, if you want to check the latest eSIM plans and prices for the United Kingdom, click the link in the description and choose the plan that best fits your trip. So actually guys, that's it. Thank you so much for watching.